Dynamics, loud and soft. Today we're going to look at tapping an instrument whilst moving our bodies from a crouched position, growing with the music.
We're going to look at dynamics again today. So we're going to listen and play our drums softly or loudly, depending on what we hear, okay? But this time we're going to move our bodies as well. So we're going to start really low down to the ground when we're playing quietly. And as the song builds up and gets louder and louder and louder, we're going to grow up really tall. Are we ready? So let's crouch down and get our drum, our pot and pan, or whatever instrument you have at home, and let's do it together. Are we ready? Tapping really softly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Caterpillar, caterpillar, wriggle about. Caterpillar, caterpillar, growing stout. Caterpillar, caterpillar, spin your cocoon. Caterpillar, caterpillar, butterfly soon. Wow, well done, good growing. Let's do it again. This time I'm going to put my drum away, so I am. And you guys are going to tap your drum, starting really softly. And as I grow and we grow together with our bodies, our drumming is going to get louder. Are we ready? Let's get down. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Caterpillar, caterpillar, wriggle about. Caterpillar, caterpillar, growing stout. Caterpillar, caterpillar, spin your cocoon. Caterpillar, caterpillar, butterfly soon. Well done, that was amazing, great job. Oh my goodness, all those drums were so loud in your houses.
Here's an activity to practice loud and soft. Look at the pictures on the left and draw a line to the word loud or soft, matching each picture with the words.